Remaining cool to cold in the mornings across South Africa, with some light rain this weekend along the coast and the adjacent interior. Otherwise, lots of sunshine and lovely weather expected. After my walk, I'll give you a full forecast. Okay, so it's going to be a cloudy and foggy start to your Saturday morning for parts of the Western Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, as well as over the Highveld. This is typical for autumn because of light winds and moist as well as mild air, quickly cooling down overnight where fog forms, which could be dangerous driving conditions. So remember to switch on your fog lights. A few light showers also likely here in parts of the Eastern Cape with isolated thunderstorms here and there. Otherwise, lots of sunshine over the interior of South Africa on Saturday. Only a 30% chance of a quick shower or isolated thunderstorms moving over the Eastern Cape, especially over the coastal areas and the adjacent interior. Later, a few light showers reaching the coastal areas of KwaZulu-Natal. A very slim chance of rain falling here in the shade of light blue over the southern areas of South Africa. On Sunday, yet again, foggy patterns expected in the Western Eastern Cape as well as over eastern South Africa. That's after a cold morning. It's going to be sunny and warming up over the interior of the country, and some cloud moving over the southern parts of South Africa due to an onshore flow. Later, very isolated light rain likely in KwaZulu-Natal, but as seen, we can see that only a 10% chance of rain actually falling on the ground as well as here over the southern parts of South Africa. Otherwise, it's going to be a mainly dry Sunday for South Africa, and then quickly becoming cold overnight into Monday morning over the interior of the country. Later, sunny skies across South Africa with almost no rain in the forecast, only light drizzle possible along the eastern escarpment as well as the low felts of Mpumalanga. A wind forecast showing light winds on Saturday over the interior of the country, an onshore flow for the coast, and then later a southeaster blowing fresh in Cape Town with northwesterly winds also blowing fresh over the interior of the Northern Cape. On Sunday, southerly winds picking up here along the west coast as well as the coastal areas of our neighbouring country, and behind a weak cold front, a chilly southwesterly wind expected to spread along the coast. Cold on Saturday morning over the interior of South Africa with single-digit minimum temperatures and close to freezing in the Free State, dropping to freezing level here in Sutherland, light frost likely and mild along the coast. And then on Saturday, it's going to be chilly in the shade of green with maximum temperatures only peaking at about 20 degrees, warming up in the Northern Cape, and it's mild in Gauteng, cooler compared to earlier this week with 24 in Mahikeng, Pretoria as well as Mbombela. Another cold morning on Sunday with only 1 degree in Bloemfontein, now dropping below freezing level here in Sutherland to expected in Bethlehem, and temperatures the morning around 10 degrees in Gauteng, the afternoon warming up to a comfortable and lovely 25 in Pretoria, Mahikeng as well as in parts of Mpumalanga. It's still quite chilly here in the shade of green in the Western and Eastern Cape, but warmer weather now for KwaZulu-Natal with 26 in Richards Bay. Well, that's all from me. Have a lovely weekend.